Greetings everyone. It is day 6 on the rebar back down at the build site, and today's goal is to continue on the uprights, bars going around the in-law unit, and I'm just going to try to keep getting those, and then those two lower horizontal rebar in. That way when Kerri comes down later, we can just hang the rest of the horizontal bars going up the foundation wall. And then hopefully later this week we'll see Brian back down here again, which is probably good for some comedy, and the two of us can really get a lot of work done working together. So let's get started on some rebar and see where we get for today. Before I get going, I noticed that this upright right here is pretty low in comparison to that one. So actually I'm going to change that out for one that turned out a little taller. I don't know how that ended up short, but the I don't want my rebar to keep going and then have a big dip right there. I think that will probably look funny. Not that it matters when it's in the cement, but it'll probably be hard to tie if this one's up high, this one's down low, and then that one's back up high. It's probably too much of a variation. I'd have to bend the bar. So I'm going to change that one out. I don't know how it came out shorter, but it did. So I'll do that, and then I'll get started on the rest. It is the end of day 6, and Kerri helped me this afternoon finish stringing up. It's at 60 linear feet, so we started right here. I had gotten the lower 2 runs in and all the uprights, so she helped me with the last 5 bars going up. So we came down here to the corner of the in-law unit, all the way across the east wall of the in-law unit, and about 12 feet to there. So tomorrow I'll finish prepping the back of the house with the uprights, and then when Kerri comes in the afternoon, she can help me fill in all those bars going the rest of the way up.
So in, what was it, day 4, I had a hard time with the rebar tying with my little pliers. So we went on a date to the hardware store, and I did get a new set of DeWalt's that spring open, and they're so much easier for me to use. So if that helps you, spring-loaded pliers make a big difference. Way better.
Indeed.
But today was super hot compared to how it has been, and I really pooped out early. So lighter colored layers for sure, fewer layers. Spring has sprung in the mountains. It's 66 degrees, but it feels like 90 in the sun. I'm just not adapted yet.
Right.
Truth.
So with that, I want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.